Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Christian Schepers and I would now like to introduce you to the Aquafone AF50 and the Ferrophone FG50. The set of Aquafone AF50 and Ferrophone FG50 is a ready-to-use solution package for pipe location and water leak detection in buildings. First of all, the set includes the Ferrophone FG50 generator. The Ferrophone FG50 generator is a compact generator for locating metal conducts with a maximum output power of 1 watt. The 3 available transmission frequencies make it ideal for locating pipes and cables inside buildings. To connect the FG50 to metallic lines, the set includes a set of cable with clamps and a 25-meter cable drum. An earthing spike is also included. The second main component of the set is the Aquafone AF50 receiver. The Aquafone AF50 combines water leak detection and pipe location in one receiver. For this purpose, the proven Aquafone AF50 has been expanded to include functions for pipe location. The AF50's lightweight and compact design makes it extremely comfortable to carry. The AF50 receiver is equipped with a belt clip so that it can be attached to your belt or to the edge of your pocket. Alternatively, the neck strap can be attached to the AF50. Thanks to its powerful Li-ion battery, working over several days is possible. The set contains a surge coil SK3 for pipe location with the Aquafone AF50. The UM50 universal microphone is ideally suitable to detect leak noises. A wide range of accessories can be screwed onto the UM50. Test tips of different lengths are available for pre-location of leaks and fittings. With the help of optional extensions, you can also reach contact points that are difficult to access. The tripod can be screwed under the UM50 to pinpoint leaks on different surfaces. Leak noises are transmitted wirelessly from the Aquafone AF50 to the F8 wireless headphones. An acoustic signal is also available at the headphones during pipe location. All components of the system and also the accessories can be stored in a robust system case. These components can be recharged inside of the case at the same time. The set of Aquafone AF50 and Ferrophone FG50: compact, precise, efficient.